If I'm not wrong, you're watching this video on your smartphone in YouTube mobile app. There are comparatively fewer chances of watching this video on your laptop or PC opening your browser. And the reason behind this is the comfort which the mobile provides you, which you can't expect from a computer. Like, I too watch videos from mobile, mostly because it's easy for me just to open already logged in YouTube app and watch the video comfortably sleeping on my bed. By Google's own survey, 3 out of 4 people watch videos on a mobile device. And that's not just happening with YouTube, but with every single thing on the internet. In 2021, 56% of searches on search engines came from mobile device. 69.4% of users use shopping apps for online purchases. And there are many other things where the mobile is dominating. And this is because people use mobile devices much more than any other device. In the population of 7.9 billion people, there are around 6.4 billion smartphone users worldwide. Hence, marketers need to focus on mobile. In other words, they should focus on mobile marketing. However, you may not know about mobile marketing. No worries, we will explain you in this video. Hey guys, my name is Sumit from PaperVideo, and in this video we'll explain to you what mobile marketing is, its importance and its advantage. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So let's get started. What is mobile marketing? In simple words, mobile marketing is marketing targeting the mobile audience. It means using marketing methods that are more suitable on mobile devices like Android or iOS app for mobile marketing, mobile notification, messengers, SMS, etc. Except world's growing focus on mobile, what are the other reasons for doing mobile marketing? One of the significant reasons for mobile marketing is connecting with your user much faster than the desktop or tablet. As people spend more time on smartphones and respond much quicker, getting faster results on mobile is easy. One of the best examples will be emails. How fast we open our email on desktop compared to mobile. Actually, most of us don't open emails on desktop, except we already open our Gmail. On the other side, we just get a notification on mobile that we open immediately if it's essential. The email open rate on mobile devices is 61.9%, which is much higher compared to desktop's 9.8%. Another reason for marketing through mobile is the convenience of the features. The best example of it is mobile apps. Mobile apps are a really great feature to keep a viewer involved for a long time. Hence, the application can help market your product and get the sales done easily. Every big e-commerce sale mostly takes place from a mobile now. You're probably using Amazon for shopping, but how do you shop? Do you go to website of Amazon or prefer to install the Amazon app and buy through it? I'm sure you're using apps. Although not just sales, these apps' notification features also help marketers bring the customer back to the app. Also, other features like messengers can help you in marketing. In addition, the ease of making payments through mobile can encourage users to spend more. Now, you probably understood why mobile marketing is important. So let's see what are the advantages of mobile marketing. First is higher ROI through ads. Studies found that running ads specifically on mobile tends to get more sales and brand awareness. Even it's easy to retarget the customer for buying something on mobile. Another benefit is higher CTR. Click-through rate, as known as CTR, is the percentage of clicks compared to impressions. As viewers tend to have more attention on mobile, CTR is also high on mobile. Will it be for ads, email and app notifications or SMS, people will click more often. Another benefit is more options for marketing. On mobile, you can market your websites by making it mobile responsive. You can use the app, SMS, MMS, notifications, in-app ads, ads in gaming applications, promote through Messenger and social media. Hence, you have an abundance of options to promote your brands. So you can see that the mobile is the future ahead. If you want to grow your brand in the future, it's necessary to promote it through mobile. It is essential to focus on marketing through features like apps, which are the future. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe. There is another great way to promote your brand and product, which is influencer marketing. If you want to know more about influencer marketing, please check out our blog, What is Influencer Marketing? The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching the video.